Well, initially we were going to replace the carpet and remove a wood stove. And that's how it all began.
We actually hired first finishers twice to remodel the upstairs of our home and the downstairs of our home. Everything went great. Everything went great.
Well, I would recommend first finishers for any remodel project. You know, from the experience that we had with you, it looks to me like you can do anything that's asked. And it looks to me like anything you do is high quality. And it looks to me like everything you do is worth the value.
And it was on time. We had a new house in 7 weeks. And that meant a lot to me to get back in here.
And the dog.
Yeah, and the cats.
We specialize in realizing our customers' dreams. So it's my job to lay out the vision for them, help them pick materials, pick finishes, and put it all together. And by the time we're done with it, then 99% of the time they're stunned and they're just amazed by what they're getting. And you know, that's that jaw-dropping moment where it's really fun. It's really fun for us to look at.
It's just nice when you walk in a job and you have customers telling you, I've had so many bad experiences. And in a weird sense, we like hearing that because we want to change their perspective of what a customer should be treated and what a contractor should do. So by the time the job's done, not only are they happy that we did the job and we did a job very well, but on the same token, we've changed their perception of what contractors are like. And we've done that multitudinous times, and we keep doing it.
I would always and forever recommend first finishers.